A refrigerator that gives out riddles. In the heart of a cozy kitchen, nestled between a cheerful yellow toaster and a singing tea kettle, stood Rosie the refrigerator. Rosie wasn't just any ordinary fridge, she was a riddle-giving, food-dispensing wonder. Every morning, when Timmy and his little sister, Tilly, opened Rosie's door, they wouldn't just find milk and juice. Instead, a small, glowing screen on the inside of the door would light up, displaying a riddle. One sunny morning, the screen flickered to life and showed, "I have cities, but no houses, forests, but no trees, and water, but no fish. What am I?" Timmy scratched his head. Cities, forests, and water, but no houses or trees or fish. Tilly, who loved puzzles, clapped her hands. "I know. It's a map." Rose's door popped open, revealing a carton of orange juice and a bowl of fresh blueberries. "Correct," a cheerful voice announced from inside the fridge. "Enjoy your breakfast, riddle solvers." Another day, Rosie presented a different challenge. "What has an eye, but cannot see?" Timmy and Tilly looked at each other, puzzled. They looked around the kitchen, searching for clues. "An eye, but can't see?" Timmy pondered. "Maybe a potato?" Tilly shook her head. "No, potatoes don't have eyes like that." Suddenly, Tilly pointed to a needle lying on the counter. "A needle. It has an eye for the thread." Rose's door swung open, revealing a slice of watermelon and a yogurt cup. "Excellent deduction," Rose's voice boomed. Sometimes, the riddles were silly. "What has a neck without a head?" Timmy burst out laughing. "A bottle." Rosie rewarded him with a cold glass of milk and a funny-shaped cookie. Rosie wasn't just fun, she was also helpful. If Timmy or Tilly were looking for a specific snack, they could ask Rosie directly. "Rosie, where are the apples?" Timmy would ask. And Rosie, in her cheerful voice, would reply, "To find the apples, you must solve this. I am red or green, and hang from a tree." "What am I?" After Timmy answered an apple, Rose's door would open, and the apple drawer would slide out. One afternoon, their grandma came to visit. She was amazed by Rosie. "A riddle-giving refrigerator? How clever!" she exclaimed. Rosie, ever the entertainer, presented Grandma with a special riddle. "What is full of holes but still holds water?" Grandma smiled. "A sponge, of course." Rosie rewarded her with a refreshing glass of lemonade. Rosie the refrigerator made every day an adventure. She turned breakfast, lunch, and snack time into a fun game of riddles and surprises. And Timmy and Tilly learned that even the most ordinary things, like a refrigerator, could be extraordinary if they had a little bit of magic and a whole lot of fun. The end.